Yep. So Mark, like the others, I'd like to thank you for your delivery and your process and your communication. Like Jackie, I'm from a technical background, so again, an awful lot of this relates to currently what we're doing. But again, it's good to validate what processes and procedures we have in place, but also have conversations about the shortcomings. I think it's important to obviously note that again, it's not solely on IT for from delivery and recovery. We have to have business owners who basically manage their own assets, who understand their own information flows. But again, I think, the tabletopping and the planning is something that, an awful lot of businesses fall back on. But again, from a recovery point of view, that's where we need to concentrate. But yeah, thanks very much for the information and then the additional resources and solutions and advice. Really good. Thank you.